Alright, y'all. That was the last of the free powder for this live. I'm gonna go ahead and start smoothing this out a little bit. Really, girl? That's so nice. Honestly, I wasn't really worried about them because these, I was gonna replace these anyway because I feel like they was already getting old. I feel like I haven't had them that long, but especially because they're yellow, I feel like they stain so much faster. I'm sorry, y'all. Somebody was calling me. But I forgot to send you the TikTok of these sponges. I have some sponges in the cart already. Who did I say I was getting them from? Is it Soapy Sunshine? I have some sponges in the cart with her already. So I'm just still trying to decide exactly what I want. But I'm gonna probably order it soon. But if you want to send me some other ones, okay. Yeah, I seen G2, so I'll have to see. Does she have a website? But it's more people. Yeah, if you could send me more people, maybe I could look for more options. I just like ordering off a website, y'all. I don't know why. And Myra, I think I feel like I seen Myra's, cause that name sounds familiar. Yeah, it came out so blue, y'all, with all the colors we added. I'm surprised it's so blue because I put green in here. We had red, black, blue, and it's just blue. It's such an interesting texture because of the gel dish soap. No, I'm not gonna save this because it has food coloring in it, and I don't really like the texture, to be honest. Simply Suds and Blair sponges. Girl, we is not making this into recycled. Look how like jelly it is. But I didn't buy it black. I was actually trying to make it purple, y'all. I was trying to make it purple, but it turned out black. Ew. I don't like that dish soap. I'm probably not gonna get it again. Girl, I literally go live every day, all the time. Y'all gotta be tired of seeing me. You ordered some from her? Did you say they already came or you're waiting for them to come? Yes, Sponge Junkie, I'm here in the daytime. Isn't it crazy? I've done a live during the day a few times, but not a lot. Not a lot. I'm at work. I just happened to catch you. Well, thank you for watching, even at work. Oh, you're waiting for them to come. But I did see the palm olive dish soap. Yeah, I probably could start getting more palm olive. It's just I wanted to get clear dish soap so I could dye them. So that's why I got this one. But I did not realize it was going to be jelly like that. Okay, Jada Witter. I'm probably not going to get on at night. And y'all, why did I see somebody doing our little signature rinse? Watery squeezes, rinse. I was like, wow. I was like, TikTok is fast with it. Oh, cause like at the end of the combo, I kind of just like make water sounds and like squeeze the sponge and like try to be relaxing to make everybody sleep. And I usually do it for like, I don't know, y'all, how long I be doing it for? Like an hour, I feel like. And recently we started doing meditation music. I mean, it's not super original, but I personally just haven't had nobody just do it for the sounds to help everybody sleep. Yeah. Yeah, nobody ever, well, a few people make it to that time. That's why so many people was like, the rinse, the rinse. Thank you, girl. Hey, shut the fuck up. Thanks for the gifts, babe. I need to get on earlier. It seemed like everybody be up. I be getting on and everybody sleep. Is your favorite part Haley? Honestly, I enjoy it too. Sometimes I wish I could watch like y'all. Alright, y'all. Well, I used all the powder, so we pretty much done. We can go ahead and start doing the rinse. I do have more laundry powder if y'all want to add laundry powder, but I really wanted to make this whole live free, so we don't really have to add. We can go ahead. Thanks for the gifts, babe. This color. Yeah, girl, you missed it. We had red, green, black. It's just the blue is the only color that stuck. And actually, I might still have some more black in here. Thank y'all for the 30K likes. Yeah, I still got some more black. Like, look how black it is. You wouldn't even thought I was trying to make it purple. Because really, this was supposed to be purple, y'all. But it came out so black. Maybe I need to do one that's all black. Maybe black and white or something. I don't know. But I like the way the black and blue looks. Hi, Olivia. It looks glittery. I'm sorry, y'all missed a bunch of comments just now. Black powder? What black powder? I don't know nothing about no black powder. Thanks for the gifts, babe. It's just dish soap with food color. And thank y'all for everybody that's watching. I appreciate everybody's love and support. This was to celebrate my 3K. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that follow button. Because, of course, once I hit 4K, I will do another one. Oh my gosh, you missed the whole thing. It's kind of fun to play in though, since it is jelly. You missed the whole thing? Yeah, honestly, I didn't really announce it. I know a lot of people announce when they do the 3K celebration thing. I don't know. I know people who, you know, always watch me, they'll make it. But I'm sad y'all made it kind of late. I'm probably about to get off soon. Wait, what did you say about the black powder? I missed it. I missed what you said about the black powder. Oh, okay. You said you was gonna send the holy powder. Mackenzie, where was you at? Oh shoot, y'all, we have the puzzle. I'm glad I just looked.